Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nicola. Hi, wagwan. What's up? I feel like it's been forever. Have you missed me? I have surely missed you. Welcome. Thank you for joining my family. Here we spread good vibes about hair tips, life tips, good tips, just all for tips. So thank you so much for being here. Please take a second to subscribe. I'm gonna give you a quick second here and there. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you, and please be sure to hit the notification bell so that you'll be called back to my channel whenever good things start happening. Today's mantra, today's motto, today's tip to live by is to learn how to blur out the noise, avoid the noise, ignore the noise, you know. And by noise, literally I mean the noise in my background, because you know my arch enemies. But yeah, just learn how to blur out the noise and just keep your head focused. Have a blind, you know, those blinders that they put on horses. Have one of those on and just focus on the prize, because Corona will soon be over and we'll still have to work out what we want. So just prepare yourselves, blur out the noise.
All we gotta do is stay focused.
So today it's another mohawk. Another one. I gave you a different style last video, you know, with that crown braid that was further up into the head and whatever. But today's a mohawk, and instead of my usual twist that I would do and wrap the ends so that I'll get nice curls, I did braids because I wanted tighter curls. So I did some braids, and I'll definitely show you how to accomplish these in another video. Please be sure to watch my next video after this. And I've got these two sections here as usual to style, because you know my mohawks, they start right here at the front with different styles on both sides, and the middle is just a frizz factory. Stay tuned, watch this video with me, grab a seat, grab your mirror, grab your comb, and let's get it popping. look. It's a very simple look, and it's just another mohawk, but this is so simple, so easy, so quick to do. And you know, we are staying in, therefore we want simple hairstyles, because I mean, we're looking cute quarantine. So yeah. And as you can see, I must say that these curls look so much different. I haven't fluffed them one bit. They look more defined, but they are as fluffy. And I love how the braids really made these twists turn out. These curls turn out. So here's the finished look once again. I really had trouble doing this side. Not trouble, but at first I was like, I hate this. This says it's flake free, but cream of nature, you lied to us. I love how it applies to the hair, and it really holds the hair, but it's flaky. They're very small flakes, and I don't like the texture on my hand, but other than that, it's okay. I'll definitely let you guys know what are my favorites in during this quarantine. But yeah, here you go. This is the finished look. I love it. So let me know what you think down below. Yes, I know it's another mohawk, but you know, we are just trying to create simple styles for staying inside. So yeah, here we go. Take a good look. Let me know what variation of a mohawk you guys are rocking or you like to rock. Just let me know down below in the comment section. Or tag me in your looks on Instagram at Nikki_Welsh. There you go. I added some gold accessories, and so now it looks like this. So this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one from me and my frizz factory. Have a good day. Stay inside, stay safe, stay sanitized, stay happy, stay energized, stay active, and again, stay safe. Please tune into my next video. I'll be sure to leave it on your screen, or you'll see it pop up in your playlist, but click on it. Do not click away. Click on it. You don't want to watch these videos, you know, you just quarantine and just there trying to see some good videos and stuff like that. So just stay tuned. I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Thank you.